Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch. It is a sports smartwatch loaded with health and sports functions. And another feature for the wearable is the preloaded watch faces and the option to download additional watch faces for the wearable. There's also a feature for AI generated watch face, but on this video we are going to focus on the list of watch faces for the wearable as well as the custom wallpaper. We will have a separate video for the AI watch face for our Oraimo Watch 6. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the Oraimo Watch 6 and at the same time a guide on how to download one as well as the custom wallpaper, watch this video. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces for our Oraimo Watch 5. So this is the default watch face here, and we have additional watch faces. I don't know if we do have a functional watch faces. Let's see. No. Can we select, or there's a shortcut for this? None. So there's no support for the functional watch faces, but we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces. For the settings, let's see for the display. We have the display duration here. We'll set it to 20. Brightness adjustment. And for the watch face, nothing else. Okay, so I guess that's it. So let's have, there's a race to wake also. So these are the settings for the screen display. For the watch face, let's open the support app. So this is the Oraimo Health. Let's go to the dial center. So we have here the recommended dial. We have business affairs. So these are the categories. We have dazzle colors, pointer, personality, latest watch face, and sports data. Let's check it one by one. Let's see if we can load it. So we have recommended dial. Okay, then go back. We have simple. So these are the simple watch faces. We have business affairs. Okay, I like this one, the radio. We'll check it out later. We have dazzle colors. So more options here in the dazzle color section. We have the pointer, so analog designs. So these are the pointer options. And we have the latest watch face. Okay, we still have personality. So more options here in the personality section, but it's a combination of holiday theme watch faces. And we have the sports data. Okay, so let's have an example. Let's download one. Okay, we have the business affairs, radio. So let's see. Let's tap on the radio. Just 0.13 MB. Set as main dial. It's now downloading dial. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. And let's wait for it to finish downloading. It is almost finished, as you can see here. Let's wait. And we have here the downloaded watch faces. Again, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have at least 7 watch face now. Then let's have another one. Let's go with the mechanic here. Then set as dial. Let's see if this will be overwritten. It's now transmitting dial. Our smartwatch here switch to download mode. And we have the watch face here. Okay, let's see how many watch face can we store. Okay, so that is disappointing. You can only store 1 watch face at a time. Okay, so if you download additional watch faces, it will be overwritten, but it will be stored here, I think. Let's see. No. Okay, even here in the my dial section, it will be overwritten. You can only add 1 watch face. And let's see if we can delete. No, you cannot delete the previous watch face. Okay, you cannot delete the preloaded watch faces in the smartwatch. So this is our watch face, the downloaded watch face. For the custom wallpaper, log in to create more watch face. We'll not log in, we'll go directly in our album. Select from your album. Just allow the permission. Let's wait. Again, album. Select from the album, and we have here the section for watch faces. We'll select this one. Okay, adjust the image. Then completed. Okay, adjust the date and the time. You can pick the color. We'll leave it as it is. Then set as main dial. Let's see if we can download the wallpaper and at the same time a watch face from the dial center. Again, this is a custom wallpaper or custom watch face. And we have here our downloaded custom wallpaper. And seems like our previous watch face is still here, as you can see. So 1 watch face from the dial center and 1 custom wallpaper. So let's try to change. Yes, as you can see here, it's still here. Although there are a lot of options for watch faces, the only issue here, okay, is that you can only download 1 watch face from the dial market. Okay, 1 watch face at a time for your smartwatch, the Oraimo Watch 6. Again, if you have any questions regarding the watch faces or the dials for your watch 6, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.